Hi there. This is a quick video to show you which fields you want to make sure you fill out when you are writing a referral and why those are important when you want to come back and try to attach a letter to a referral. So here I've got Captain Kirk and I've got his referral tab and a couple different examples of referrals. So this one was done correctly in that this field right here was filled in. Referred to, this is the most important field to fill in terms of who you're sending this referral to. Uh, it doesn't quite make sense because the specialty list is here, so it's natural to just pick from this list. However, if this is not filled out, I will show you what happens. So here's one where you can see they picked out cardiology as the subspecialty, but we don't have anything written in this field. So here's what ends up happening. Let's go to our documents. Okay, so we have a letter from cardiology right here, okay, and we want to attach that. When we go to attach it to a referral letter, you can see it's very difficult to figure out which referral I'm attaching this to. Now, if I right here, I guess I'm gonna guess it's not this because this is about a mole. I don't really know what this referral is about, and so without that box filled in, it's going to be difficult for people scanning to know where to attach it. I also want to show you what happens if you want to attach to the problem list. So actually, let's come back out here and I want to show you go back to the chart. So when we talked about the problem list and how to enter problems in the problem list. So you can see here, let's see, let's look at this problem. Okay, so there we've entered essential hypertension, but there's nothing in the notes box. Okay, if we go to this problem, this one is entered correctly. The depression is written up here, but it is also written in the notes field. The reason for this, again, I know it doesn't quite make sense. This is where you'd think the problem should be stated, but actually you have to have something in this box. Otherwise, you can't attach a letter to a problem. So let's look at this one. This one is the same way. Asthma's up here, nothing in this box. So now when we go back to our documents and we say attach, we want to attach to the problem list. We don't know which one of these is the hypertension problem because there's nothing there. You have no idea. So you can see the one that was entered correctly, that had depressed in the notes field, that shows up right here. So whatever's in the notes field is what you're going to see when you try to attach. And that's why it's so important when we enter the problem list to enter the problem list the way we've discussed, that you always have to make sure that you put not only do you put the issue here, but you put it down here. And usually we put in a few little notes. Okay, so if we do that, oops, no. Okay, we're going to go back to our documents. Now we want to attach an aha. Now we know where to attach it. So we can attach it, click OK. Let's leave our document finder, our document thing. And if we go to a different tab and come back to the problem list, there it is. Okay, so you click on that and there it is. So that is why these fields are so important. So when you're doing a referral, make sure you are using the referred to. Make sure the referred to box is filled in. And when you're entering a problem on the problem list, make sure that you're entering something in the notes field. All right, thanks a lot.